Hi dudes, this is Mr. Love. Today we are going to talk about time travel. Is time travel possible or not? If yes, then there is any proof? Let's begin. The answer for time travel possible or not is yes, time travel is possible. Albert Einstein, Stephen Hawking, both of them said positive things about time travel. But a small problem is both of them are theoretical physicists, which means they can prove it in equation that the time travel is possible. But if you are thinking, is time travel practically possible? By using today's technology, we can't do anything on time traveling. Let me explain what you need for time travel. First, you need black hole. Black hole means in outer space, when a star bursts, it forms a hole. In that hole, if humans travel more than the speed of light, time travel is possible. Just imagine the speed of light. It's fastest. Time travel is only possible if you can travel more than the speed of light. Let's say if you have entered the black hole with more than the speed of light, inside the black hole there will be times. It's said by a lot of scientists. Time is just a dimension. The people we all are saying 3 dimension now. The 4th dimension is time. In black hole there will be 4th dimension time, and you can travel any years through 4th dimension. But the small problem is, if time travel became practical, if people starts doing time traveling, it's like breaking the law of nature. It's like you are changing your past. Albert Einstein explained with an example. Let me explain. Imagine after 4000 to 5000 years, a man is traveling on a rocket for time traveling. Imagine time travel is practically possible at the time. As I said before, he is entering black hole and coming out of other end. Let's say he started his travel at 11 am, and when he comes out of black hole, it's 8 am. After that, if any of one kills him or if he died by accident, now it's like he cannot even start the travel. It's like paradox. It's like disproving himself. He is changing his own future. Due to this kind of situations only, scientists are thinking this is physically not possible. If this happens, the whole law of nature will be broken. In future, if they find time travel, they should come to past, right? Which means they should come to us, which is past for them. It's little confusing. Just imagine. If they found time travel, what they will do? They may go and visit some historic events. Example, they can watch World War II, etc. Something like that. After when time travel became normal thing in future, lot of people will travel to past. But there is no time travelers around us. There is no one around us from the future. So it proves, even in future, time travel is still not found. If it's found, they should have traveled past, which means they should be around us. That's confusing, but just think a little bit. You can say in another way also. Now we are in present. So in future, we have to find time travel and we should come back to past. It's like a paradox. Let me explain more. You may ask, as I said before, if time travel is possible, then I have to go to space? How a normal person can do it? How he can travel every time to space? No, it's not like that. To time travel, we need black hole. We can create a black hole even in the room. To create black hole, the scientist says we need more negative matters. Even scientists can't explain what exactly negative matter means. Even if you create black hole in a room, it will be 45 times heavier than the sun. Imagine how much energy you need. The time which we are saying now, like 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock, all are imaginations. We created it. But in black hole, the time is 4th dimension and it's constant. The time is constant in black hole because inside black hole there is more gravity. It is the first part of time travel. It's not possible to explain the whole time travel in single video. To explain more about time travel, we should know about parallel universe also. It's all science. Some people may not get it. It's little complicated, but it's big concept found by scientists. Try to imagine. That's it. Hope you got something from this video. The best is yet to come. Subscribe, Mr. Love. Spread love. Bye bye.